high ticket cash and residual freedom. That's what this simple system can do for you. In fact, for me, it's paid me six figures and continues to pay me. And it's never been more easy. When I say easy, keep this in context. It's never been more easy in the sense that there's nothing to set up, in the sense that there is live and interactive training 4 times a week, in the sense that you have live coaches that close your sales for you. So it's never been more simple. So let me come over here. Once you decide to get started by going to the link in my description, leadsareflowing.com, that's the link. You're going to be able to log into your back office. It looks just like this. And what you want to do is you want to come here to the fast start. Actually, before you do that, you're going to want to watch this video with the owner. You're going to want to go to step 1, join the Facebook group, the community. You're going to want to read step 2, and then you're going to want to go to step 3 so you can start making sales this week. And that's exactly what's happening is when people follow these steps and they go make sales this week and do what's recommended here, they are making sales their very first week. I can't guarantee that's going to happen for you. All I can tell you is that's what's happening for many members that are just getting started. Now, me, I've been with this company for over 10 years. So I can't say, oh, and make sales your first week. So I've been in it for 10 years. It's paid me well over the years. So these are the steps. Now I want to show you how quickly you can set this up. So I'm going to click on this fast start, dashboard, fast start, connect website. I'm going to come over here and it says your lead lightning funnel capture page. I'm going to click show me the link to use. Okay. And all I'm going to do is come here. You don't need to purchase a domain. You don't need to do anything. You're just going to click right here. See it here. Boom. See it here? There's your link. Yours is going to be different than mine. And there's your page. That's it. You're ready to go. You just got to copy your link. And this is where you're going to do all your marketing. Now, if I come back over here, this right here, step 2, is going to teach you how to effectively market your link. Now, one of the mistakes I see, or one of the misconceptions, or like, I don't know exactly what it is, where the disconnect happens, because you can give a person a completely done for you system, but you have to add traffic and you tell them that. And it all of a sudden becomes this most challenging thing ever when it really isn't. Right here, you can get traffic, you get eyeballs to your system. That's a different one. To your system right here. Okay. Someone's going to come in. They're going to like what they see. They're going to put their email in. It's going to take them into a sales page that's going to do the telling and selling for you. It's going to kick into an email response campaign where those emails are going to go out just about daily for a good number of days. That is going to continue to bring the people back, educate them, and teach them what this system can do for them. Automatically, that's done for you. When sales happen with this particular funnel, you will make $6 commissions, and it costs them $7 to get this funnel. Now, if you come in through my link, you're going to get this funnel free. Like you don't have to pay the extra $7. But if you come in another way, you pay the $7. So you get it free the way I'm telling you. Now this system is going to go to work for you. Now when you get those buyers, you get those $7 buyers. What's going to happen is there's an AI series that goes out. It's going to follow up for you through text, through voicemail drops. And what's also going to happen is the owner here is going to be calling. The AI is going to be scheduling appointments with the owner for coaching sessions. Your prospects are going to be going through this. And they're also going to be calling your buyers and introducing them to all the value that's provided here and showing them how When they decide to go all in, for example, get the all in product, they can position themselves to earn $1,500 commissions. You can position yourself to earn up to $1,500 commissions, $1,000 commissions, $400 commissions, $100 commissions, $35 residual commissions, $20 residual commissions, and even 50% match on that $20 commission. Where let's say you have someone that's referred a number of people and they're making $1,000 residual income from those commissions, those $20 commissions they're earning, you get half of that. So that's like 500 bucks you're getting and you didn't do anything extra. So let me just back up real quick. So once again, how does this work? One, go to the link in my description. Go to leadsareteflowing.com. I've had that domain forever. Over 10 years I've had that domain. Leadsareteflowing.com. Okay. Go ahead and get your free 7-day trial. Let me show you what that's going to look like. Right here. You're going to click on the button, get your free 7-day trial. Okay. You're going to come here. You got your dashboard. You're in. Go through the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You can't go wrong doing this. Watch the video. Click on the events. Okay. And start coming to these trainings. These Tuesday trainings, these are live interactive, very good training. This is going to teach you what to do in real time so you can start making sales. And there's training all throughout the week. You want to come here to Fast Start, connect your website, you're good to go. Okay, that's it. That's all you do. I have a video that I put together as well where I share my process, how to make sales with Power Lead System. Simple process, an effective process. It's a process I actually learned. I'm going to show you where I learned it. Right here in this AI Automation Academy, they have something called the Lead Generation Academy Archives. So if I come in here, I learned this process. I'm going to put it at the end of this video. I learned it from this guy, Franco Gonzalez. And when you come in here and you watch this training right here, actually all these trainings right here, circle these, all these trainings right here. This is really going to explain to you exactly how to effectively market. This is how it all comes together. But this is a more advanced step. So this is something you do after you get started, after you set up your link, after you position yourself to earn the most money by going all in. And I'm going to say one last thing before I close this out. Go all in. Get the all-in product. Why? Because it's going to position yourself to make the most money. Simple as that. You're doing the same process. The process does not change. It's exactly the same. People are going to the same exact link. You're doing the same exact marketing. Like it doesn't change. So you might as well get paid for the work you're doing. That makes the most sense to me. There's financing options. So even if you can't afford the full amount, there are financing options so you can invest in yourself, invest in your future, invest in your business, invest in a vehicle that could completely change your life. That's what this has the power to do, whether you believe me or not. Like I'm a walking example. This in 2017, 2018 really changed everything for me when I decided to take it seriously. And believe me, it was not as simple as it is now. It was not anywhere close to as simple. So, like what you see, you want to give this thing a test drive. Again, it's free for 7 days. You can try this whole thing out. You can make some money, even as a free member. You can attend the live training 4 times a week, even as a free member. You have absolutely nothing to lose, everything to gain. With that, make it a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.